Man, I have so much going on these days. Now that college is my agenda. Okay, so I'm taking 4 classes to start off with, but that has me busy the whole week. You should check out my calendar. It's crazy. Look, it's taking up classes, study time, work. I'm even trying to fit time to go swimming.
And that's great. And you can still stay connected and have information through online with your phone or even computer. And like everybody else, LaGuardia has a social media. For instance, Facebook, Twitter, even Foursquare.
Foursquare too.
Hey, you guys should check out the college's academic calendar. Go pick up a copy in the Student Life office, M115. It has all the important dates you need, like when your classes start, registration deadlines, even spring break.
You know, you're right. She reminded me of something. I checked my email last Thursday. You know, Live at LaGuardia, you know, the email? I know, we don't really go on too much, especially me, I don't ever go on. But I decided to go on the other day, and you'd be surprised all the information that's on there. It's crazy.
Like what?
Well, I mean, they have workshops on yoga. I mean, they do sports and recreation, fitness. I mean, look, they do raffles. They raffle out iPods, and they do, you know, like gift certificates and even scholarships, man.
Yeah, your Live at LaGuardia account sends you an email every Thursday called News You Can Use Now.
That's it.
All you have to do is log on at laguardia.edu/live. If you have any problems logging on, just check out our software support center in B127.
Have you been there before?
Well, yeah, I mean, that's how I got my academic calendar. You know, it's so amazing. Do you want to try it out together? I'm already on the website.
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
You're already on it.
All right, so look, you got to click on, you see current student?
Yes.
Okay, you know, you can even check your student email on it too, on the eTools tab.
Okay.
So go for it.
Okay, so I click under lookup where it shows me how to log in. Okay. Then it has a weird original password, which is 10 digits.
So long.
It's my date of birth with the year first, and current CUNY ID. And
See, there you go.
I think that was easy.
Okay, so I don't know if this is good, but I think we should make a pact, okay? Look, now that you know how to get on, there's gonna be days I can't go on. I'm working, I'm doing stuff. But those days that you can shoot me a text, man, because, I mean, it's great if we can keep each other informed of what's going on and stuff, but the current events, I don't wanna miss out on anything. I know you guys don't wanna miss out on anything either, so. So, is that a deal? We'll stay connected?
I'll shoot you a text.
Cool, me too, man. Awesome.
It's a deal.
It's a deal.
All right, check out what else is on there.
Oh yeah, look at that.